Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel with me Muhammad Ipal from class 2B English Department Stage Polytechnic of Padang. Okay guys, for today I would like to tell you about the biggest traditional event in my hometown. And the event is tradition of Basapa. Okay, the Basapa tradition or bersafar is a pilgrimage activity carried out by Muslim in Padang Pariaman, West Sumatra, especially in Ulakan, to the grave of the Syekh Burhanuddin. Do you know Syekh Burhanuddin? Okay, Syekh Burhanuddin is a figure who played an important role in the spread of Islam in West Sumatra during the reign of the Pagaruyung Kingdom. Named Basapa because this activity or Basafa activity was only carried out in the month of Safar in the calendar of Hijriah, and precisely with the death of the Syekh Burhanuddin, which fell on Wednesday 10 of Safar in 1116 Hijriah or 1704 Masehi in Ulakan. And you can see behind me in the activity of Basapa, there are many people, there are many community at here. This tradition is very familiar. This tradition is very famous of the people in the Padang Pariaman. Basapa tradition is carried out as an expression of the gratitude or commemorating the struggle of the Syekh Burhanuddin in his effort to spread an Islam in West Sumatra or Minangkabau. The main activity carried out in this tradition is a pilgrimage to the grave of the Syekh Burhanuddin. Basapa is term pronounced in the Minangkabau language, which actually comes from the word safar or moon safar, which is the month when the Basapa traditional carry out. The place where this tradition takes place in the grave Syekh Burhanuddin in Ulakan, which is maybe 5 kilometers from the West Sumatra Shaping Polytechnic, we can access by motorcycle or by car. The location is near with beach, so after you visited the Syekh Burhanuddin grave, you can play with your family, with your friend, with your girlfriend maybe in the beach, and it will be so fun. Okay, in this activity or Basafa activity is divided into three main activities. Okay, the first activities is to visit the Masjid Tua, or in the English is Old Mosque. A mosque that was established a place of Syekh Burhanuddin to teach Islam to his student. The second activities is to visit a place that keeps various relics of the Syekh Burhanuddin. The third activities and comes to the Syekh Burhanuddin graves to pilgrimage. The activity that has been going on for a long time and become one of the icons of Padang Pariaman. Yes, the icon of Padang Pariaman, and has become religious tourism not only for the local community but also there are many people come from the outside, such as the Bukit Tinggi, Sijunjung, Sawah Lunto, Darmasraya, Solo, and others. And for visitors is don't worry because this activity or this tradition is free. Basapa tradition is carried out by 2 rounds or maybe 2 times. The first round is exactly on the 10th of Safar. It will be referred to as Basapa Gadang, or in English is the biggest Basapa or the big Basapa. In the first round, it will be crowded. It will be crowded and festive because the Basapa location is not only filled with people who are pilgrim, but also traders to food, culinary, to like accessories, toys, clothes, and others. So visitors or participants not only go on pilgrimages but can also enjoy the various specialties such as pinyaram, jodah, fried crab, and others, and it's very delicious. Okay, the second after the first round, we entered the second round. The second round is called basa pakete. Yes, basa pakete, or in the English we call small basapa or the small event. The difference with the first round or basapa gadang between basa pakete is only in the number of visitor who have started to empty. Basically, Basapa Gadang and Basapa Kete have the same goal, namely to make the pilgrimages and commemorate the spirit of the Islamic by the Syekh Burhanuddin. This tradition will never lose and will continue be preserved as part national culture of the Padang Pariaman, West Sumatra, especially for the Ulakan community. So for you who want to visit the traditional event or Basapa event, please write down the date or the month because there will be so many uniques and excitement that it will be entertain you and your family. So let's join us. So I think that's all for me. Thanks for your attention and sorry for my mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.